U.S. Air Force's upcoming advanced jet trainer has successfully completed its taxi tests in its production form. T-7A Red Hawk will train the U.S. Air Force's future generation of fighter and bomber pilots. According to its manufacturer Boeing, all the mission, power and electrical systems are operational, and the advanced jet trainer is ready to take its first flight. The T-7A went from concept to taxi test to first flight in the near future, in a span of 3 years. It has a maintenance-friendly and modular design. The Red Hawk was selected to replace the T-38C Talon. The Red Hawk is powered by single GE F404 turbofan engine. It is capable of performing night missions, high angle of attack and high G maneuvers. T-7A Red Hawk have advanced fighter-like performance which resembles today's 4.5 and 5th generation fighters. Romania is one of the places where the Western countries is looking to host training for the Ukrainian pilots. USA, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium and Denmark will come together to train the F-16 pilots. Romania, a part of NATO countries, have recently acquired second-hand fighter jets from Portuguese and Norway. The location of Romania is apt since it is neighboring country to Ukraine, and it will be an easy task for transfer of pilots, maintenance crew and other required equipments between the two countries. 2 B52 bombers arrived in Indonesia and landed in Kuala Namu International Airport. This is supposed to be the first visit of B52 to Indonesia. The two bombers took off from Andersen Air Force Base, Guam. The U.S. is trying to enhance its relationships with its allies in the Indo-Pacific region and rising tensions between China and Taiwan in the area. Indonesia is investing heavily in its defensive capabilities due to rising threat from China. And it is also to be noted that Indonesian Air Force have trained with B-52 in the past. American company General Electric Aerospace and Indian state-owned company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited have signed a memorandum of understanding recently. General Electric and Hindustan Aeronautics will co-produce F-414 engines. These engines will be used for the Tejas Mark II aircraft for the Indian Air Force, which is currently under development. Apart from the Tejas Mark II, it is also expected that these engines will also power the Indian Navy's deck-based twin-engine fighter jet, which is also under development. And India is also working on its 5th-generation fighter jet AMCA, and it is expected that the earlier versions of AMCA might come with the GE 414 engines.